Why would you recommend UBench to other leasing or mobility companies?
The main reason why we chose it, and also still today, it convinced me that we took the right choice, is the ecosystem. All stakeholders are here connected, and that's the major benefit we have here. Everybody is on the same page. It helps, it facilitates. With the APIs connected to insurers, we can facilitate the financial flows. We can, offer the best services what we can. For us, digital area, the opportunities that it gives to us, and AI is coming. We try to combine this also with the feature that this Mercedes as a brand offers to our customers, and that in combination with the UBench servicing, it is the best service that we can offer to our customers.
UBench.